Students, today we are going to study lesson number 1.5, okay, a kabaddi match. Kabaddi is the most popular game, right? आप सब लोग खेलते ही होंगे. So, in this lesson we are going to study a kabaddi match which is happening between class 9th A and 9B. Let's begin with our lesson. Look at page number 12, lesson number 1.5, a kabaddi match. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9B were the favorites as they had strong players in the team. The kabaddi trials were on. The school sport meet was scheduled. Schedule means what? Planned. Okay, it was planned next month. Next month उनके स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स शुरू होने वाले थे और उसकी तैयारी अभी से शुरू हो गई थी. The practice matches had already begun and in their school 9B was favorite team as they had strong player in their team. The kabaddi trials were on और trial games भी चालू हो गए थे. This year there were 3 new students in class 9th A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding player. 9th A's hopes soared. But this year what happened? There were 3 new admission in class 9th A. And to everyone's surprise, they were outstanding. Outstanding means excellent player. इस साल क्या हो गया था? 9th A में 3 new students आए थे जो बहुत अच्छे कबड्डी player थे. And because of this, 9th A's hope soared. Soared means rises high. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. When the match started, all the spectators means who? Audience, जो भी वहाँ आई थी मैच देखने के लिए. ओके, they clapped and boosted. Boosted means encouraged. Okay, they encouraged the morale of both the teams. Audience ने दोनों टीमों को cheer किए, encourage किए. 9th A won the toss and sent the rider Govind. He was so swift that before the opponent realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9B and was already heading home. A point was scored. 9th A won the toss. Mostly हर टीम गेम के पहले टॉस उड़ाया जाता है और जीतता है उसको चॉइस दी जाती है. So in this game 9th A won the toss. कौन जीते टॉस? 9th A. And they sent the rider. Rider means who? A player from attacking side. Okay, उन्होंने rider भेजे. They sent the rider Govind who was so swift. Swift means very fast and smooth. That before the opponents realized, he touched Suresh from 9B and head to his home side. गोविंद ने easily सुरेश को आउट किया और अपने टीम के लिए पॉइंट स्कोर किया. Ravi from 9B was a very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. A boy named Ravi, he was very strong player from team 9B. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player between his legs, twisted like a सीज़र. रवि इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था कि वो उसके लेग्स को सीज़र की तरह ट्विस्ट करके किसी को भी टाइटली पकड़ सकता था और उसके ग्रिप से बाहर निकलना मुश्किल था. All the players were literally afraid of him. The ace player had won many matches for 9B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9B were unbeatable. The players were afraid of Ravi. हर कोई उससे डरता था. The ace player means he was champion. Okay, वो एक champion player था. And with the help of Mohan and Vinod, he had won many matches. Okay, that's why they were unbeatable. Unbeatable means उनको कोई हरा नहीं सकता था. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition from any team. But Mangesh from 9th A, he was also a strong player. He was a good match for Ravi. Means he was as strong as Ravi. As 9th B were always winning the game, so they were relaxed, especially Ravi. वो लोग क्या थे, इस बार रिलैक्स थे. उनको ऐसा लगा था कि हाँ, हर बार हम लोग जीतते हैं, इस बार भी हम लोग ये वाली मैच इजीली जीत जाएंगे. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friend, everyone in the spectator thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh, but Mangesh proved his mettle. He was on the ground with the anti-riders catching hold of his waist and legs. But what happened? But Mangesh from 9th A, he was also a strong player, right? फिर जब मंगेश की राइड करने की टर्न आई तो उसे रवि और उसके फ्रेंड ने रेसल डाउन कर दिया एंड एवरीवन इन द स्पेक्टेटर्स थॉट दैट 9th A वुड लूज मंगेश. अब मंगेश क्या हो जाएगा? आउट हो जाएगा और 9th A मंगेश को लूज करेंगे. बट वॉट हैपन? बट मंगेश प्रूव्ड हिज मेटल. मेटल मीन्स ही शोज करेज. ओके, उसने हार नहीं मानी और वो ट्राई करते रहा. ही वॉज ऑन द ग्राउंड विथ एंटी राइडिंग होल्डिंग हिज वेस्ट एंड लेग्स. Slowly he inched towards his court. All the anti-riders, with all their might, were trying their best to pull him back. But with great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. What did Mangesh do? Slowly he inched toward his court. वो slowly आगे बढ़ता रहा. Okay, without losing his breath. And anti-riders क्या करते थे? उनकी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे थे मंगेश को पीछे खींचने की. But with great determination, with his willpower, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. मंगेश ने सक्सेसफुली midline को टच किया और फिर क्या हो गया? सब लोग उसे cheer करने लगे. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. He not only saved himself but he scored 3 points for his team. उसके टीम को कितने पॉइंट्स मिले? 3 पॉइंट्स मिले. वाई? बिकॉज रवि, मोहन एंड अजिंक्या जो उसको पकड़े हुए थे वो लोग अब क्या हो गए? आउट हो गए थे. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? नाउ टर्न द पेज. Now 9th B began to play cautiously. Mihir, one of the riders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Then what happened? 9th B began to play cautiously. अभी वो संभल के खेलने लगे. मिहिर फ्रॉम 9th B टैग सोहन ऑफ 9th A. मिहिर ने 9th A के सोहन को आउट किया. उसके बाद कुछ और रेड्स हुए पर उनमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. The remaining 3 players from 9th B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The 3 anti-riders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-rider still hanging on his arm. Oh, the whole of the 9th B team was declared out. Then it was Vivek's raid. Okay, he was known for his strategies. Strategies means planning. He always used to plan his raid and they worked fine. वो क्या करता था? वो प्लानिंग के साथ खेलता था और उसके प्लान्स हमेशा सक्सेसफुल होते थे. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? The remaining 3 players of 9B trapped Vivek, but he slowly moved towards his court. Then finally 3 players caught his arm and when they were trying to pull him back, Vivek managed to touch the midline with his leg. 9th B के बचे हुए 3 players विवेक का आर्म पकड़ के खींचने लगे. तब विवेक ने अपने लेग से मिडलाइन को टच किया और इस तरह से सारे 9th B के प्लेयर्स आउट हो गए और 9th B टीम वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड आउट. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Luna. It was an icing on the cake. What an enviable score. It set the heads of 9th B reeling. 9th A got more 3 bonus points of Luna. It was like icing on the cake. Okay, it was an enviable score. Enviable means grudging admiration and desire to have something that is possessed by another. किसी strong को टीम को हराने के बाद कैसा फील होता है? So they were also very happy and their heads were reeling. They were dancing, running, enjoying. Okay, and finally they beat 9B and won the match. But this was just a part. Okay, अभी तक क्या बाकी था? सेकेंड राउंड अभी तक बाकी था. After the halftime break, the star player of 9th A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace riders Mohan, Ajinkya, and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9B in all the areas of Kabaddi. After the break, okay, even in the second round, 9th A players were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of champion player of 9B, that is Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Second round में भी क्या हुआ, 9th A ने अच्छा खेली और champion player, ace player of 9B को out की. This time 9th A were actually playing better than 9B in all areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B who had never tasted defeat earlier. 9B किस वजह से जीती? Because of their team spirit, okay? Their confidence, उनमें confidence था. Strategies means planning, okay? Swiftness, suppleness means उनकी flexibility. These all things helped 9th A team to beat 9B who have never tasted defeat earlier. 9B team जो कभी नहीं हारी थी वो आज 9th A से हार गई थी. This lesson also teaches a life lesson, right? That is through spirit, confidence, strategy, swiftness and suppleness we can achieve anything in our life. We need to have a great determination to overcome any hurdles. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. followed in different parts of India. So Kabaddi is very ancient sport. Ancient means बहुत पुराना sport है and it was originated in India. कहाँ originate हुआ था? India में. But today it is popular in many countries and it is played internationally also. और इंटरनेशनल गेम्स में इंटरनेशनल रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं बट डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ कबड्डी सच एज संजीवनी, गैमिनी, अमर एक्सेट्रा आर फॉलोड इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by the midline. The game is usually played in 2 halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. Here the rules of the game Kabaddi is been explained. It is played between 2 teams with 7 members in each team. एक टीम में कितने प्लेयर्स रहते हैं? 7, okay? And the game is played in 2 halves. Halves is what? A plural form of half. 2 round में खेलते हैं with a half time break in between. And how is the area? It is a flat rectangular court which is divided by a midline, okay? To play the game, each team sends rider across the midline to the other team. The rider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side, all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. How it has been played? Each team sends a rider across the midline and rider tries to tag the opponents, okay, and run back to his side, but it has to be done only in one breath. And to show that he hasn't inhaled again, he need to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. Rider क्या करता है? सामने वाली टीम में से अपोनेंट को टैग करने की कोशिश करता है, उनको टच करके वापस अपनी साइड आ जाता है और ये सब उसे एक ही सांस में करना होता है, इसीलिए उसको रिपीटेडली कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते रहना पड़ता है. एंड इफ़ ही इनहेल अगेन एंड स्टॉप चैंटिंग कबड्डी कबड्डी, अगर उसने कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलना बंद किया देन ही इज़ आउट. The opponents try to catch the rider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the rider manages to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. And the opponent team try to catch the rider and stop him going back to his court until he loses his ब्रेथ। ओके, अपोनेंट टीम के मेंबर क्या करते हैं, उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं और उसको उसके कोर्ट में नहीं जाने देते जब तक वो फिर से इनहेल नहीं करता। एंड इफ राइडर मैनेजेस टू टच द मिड लाइन, ऑल द अपोनेंट्स हु हैव टैग्ड हिम और टच्ड हिम आर डिक्लेयर्ड आउट. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points alone. The team with the maximum points wins the match. And for each player declared out, opposite team gets points. Okay, if all the 7 players out, then the opposite teams get a bonus point called as Luna. ऑल आउट करने के बाद बोनस पॉइंट मिलता है जिसे लोना कहते हैं. एंड जिस टीम के पास ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो टीम जीत जाती है. टीम विथ मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स विंस द मैच. The game of Kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skill, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. To play Kabaddi game, we need to have good health. अच्छी हेल्थ होना ज़रूरी है. मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ, ओके, ताकत रहना चाहिए. स्ट्रैटेजिक स्किल्स, प्लानिंग करनी आना चाहिए. एंड लॉट्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. And one more important thing is a great determination. The great determination means willpower to win the game. Okay, then only we will be able to play and win the Kabaddi match. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at Kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace Kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who knows? If you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. So, Kabaddi is not only played by boys, girls also play Kabaddi. And here the writer is asking a question to you all, that would you like to be a ace Kabaddi player when you are little older? क्या आप लोग भी थोड़े बड़े हो जाने के बाद कबड्डी प्लेयर बनना चाहोगे? ओके, क्या पता तुम लोग भी जीत के अपने स्कूल का, डिस्ट्रिक्ट, स्टेट, कंट्री का नाम रोशन करो. ओके, सो डू कमेंट मी इन below and let me know if you have understood this lesson or not, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.